Hey guys, it's Senior Olympia Gaming. Welcome to my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 unboxing video. Let's check this thing out. So here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. This is the blue colored one. It's a nice subtle matte blue in the back. Very nice. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I do mostly video game streams, but I will occasionally do a product review here and there on an unboxing video just for fun, you know. And here again is the phone. Let's have a look. Oh, that blue color looks really nice. And the moment we've been waiting for, the first fold. Ooh, that felt really good. So let's just take a quick tour of the phone. You got your volume rocker, your power button, which is also the fingerprint reader, your charging port and mic, it's down there. SIM tray on the other side. Look at those nice shiny edges of the phone, the cover screen, and the dual camera setup. Let's give this thing another fold. Oof, nice. And another fold just because it's so much fun. For our case here, I got one of those official Samsung clear covers with the ring. We'll eventually switch it up to something a little nicer, but this is a nice way to show off the color of the phone without adding very much bulk. So let's put it on. So while I fumble through putting this case on the phone, I just wanted to let you guys know that if this is content that you enjoy, hit the like and subscribe button to my channel. It's Senior Olympia Gaming. I do a lot of video game streamings and also starting to do some more of these product reviews. There you go. Case looks nice. Not bulky at all, very slim. That's the way I like it. So even folded up, it's still very slim. Really nice way to show off the color of the phone. Let's add the ring, and that's what it looks like with the ring. I have the phone semi-set up here. There's your cover screen. Looks really nice. Let's try to open it with one hand. It's not exactly that easy to open with one hand, but still no problem. Screen is nice and crisp. Fingerprint reader, buttery smooth. As you can see, you can barely notice the crease when you're looking at it straight up. So I don't think that's going to be an issue. I'll do a kind of a full product review and comparison here pretty soon. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And cheers. See you guys soon. Bye.